Hi everyone, myself Sonali. Welcome back to online tutorials of C. Today in this video I am going to explain one program, that is how to display multiplication table for that given input number. Now let's start the program. Here first of all I will include header file #include standard input output .h. Then I will include main function int main. Including main function, I will declare integer variable n is equal to 2, I. Then for loop condition for I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 10, then I plus plus. Then I will print message printf %d into %d is equal to %d slash n comma n comma I comma n into I. Then return value is 0, return 0, then close main function. Now see here, I will take n value is 2, then for loop condition I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 10, I plus plus. In this condition, how many times number display? Total 10 times. 10 times this loop will repeat. Then I will now see here %d into %d. I will use %d print integer number, then is equal to %d slash n comma n into I. So in the first location we need to display n value is 2. Then second location we need to display I value is 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Then third place we need to display n into I. N value is 2 into I value is 1, result is 2. Then I is increment by 1, n value is 2 into I value is 2, result is 4. In this way value is print 4, 6, 8 up to 20. So that is what n is multiplied by I value to display. Now we will run this program. Now look at here, we got multiplication table of two number as a output. Suppose I will take number is 4, then we'll see what will be the output. Now look at here, we got multiplication table of 4 number as a output. So this is about program. Thank you.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.